Yo, so guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we've got the Traxxas Xmaxx A-Test, and it's a bit of a follow-up video today after Paddlesworth, as, well, we didn't have much luck. We haven't had much luck recently with the Xmaxx, as we've been struggling to, well, I don't think we have gotten a full run out of a set of batteries for the Xmaxx, and hopefully that will soon change. So if you hadn't seen the Paddlesworth video, which is the racing one, with the Traxxas Xmaxx A-Test card in the top right corner of your screen there, well, the ESC died, so we've got a new Max 6 to install, Hobbywing Max 6, and hopefully that will allow us to properly test the electronics we've already got in there, and hopefully my glued on caster block, which you can see a bit there, will hold up to some testing so you can actually see what this thing can do. So let's get into installing the Max 6. That's number 6, so that's what I want. So that's currently beeping once, which indicates it's on option 1. If I press set again, that changes it to option number 2. Then, save that, simply unplug it. Okay guys, so that is the testing for the Hobbywing Max 6, as we've just installed it, and I have to say, it is a lot more powerful than it was before, so definitely could tell the old one was on its last legs, because that was 6S and it feels more powerful than it did on 8S with the old one, so very happy with that, and it seemed to do well, and somehow I managed a front flip, which I still don't quite understand how I managed that, even though I didn't quite land it. Anyway, so yeah. Okay guys, so one little thing I did to the Hobbywing Max 6 since I last showed you on camera, you can see that, I have actually used duct tape on the underside because the thing didn't stick too well for me, because I didn't clean the underside of the chassis bit of the Xmaxx. I'm lazy, but duct tape works fine, so that did the job. And I've also got zip ties up here, so literally can't move, which does the job. I don't think I showed you, but I do have the switch mounted over here on that side, which works fine and is accessible from underneath the body. So yeah, that's that for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you next one. Yeah, see ya.